Okay, this video is about my 10 robots that I picked up recently. I've had them for almost a year now. I picked these three up at a website called Robot Island. If you're looking for some, you might want to give them a look-see. They have some pretty good things, and I only paid a little over $30 for all three, so I think that's not too bad. A little background on these guys. This one and this one are reproductions of Alps, a 1960s robot made in Japan. This one's called a TV robot because obviously it has a little TV screen on it. Originally, this would have been a drum that would spin around as the mechanism worked. This also had an antenna that would spin around. On this one, it doesn't because it's obviously too small. Both of these are smaller than the original Alps robots. Now this, I believe, is called a Radiocon robot. On the back, you can see an antenna. Originally, on these, the antenna served as an on-off switch. It's also called what they call an eagleback because of these wires. Help keep it stable. It also happens to be the best walker. This one was originally modeled after a sparking robot that's also made in Japan. The Japanese made some of the best wind-up toys in their day. This one just has it printed on the front. Right here would be a clear red cellophane, and behind it would be a flint sparker. So as you let this thing run, you could see the sparks through it. And the antenna may have rotated. I'm not sure on this one though. But I just love tin toys because the lithographs on them are so nice. These aren't 100% accurate as far as size is concerned. These obviously all would have been much bigger. But the detailing on them is pretty good. And yes, the original arms are the same way. They wrote this stamped steel. Now, these are all very nice little models. So if you're considering getting into collecting, these would be a good start. I've got a few battery operated ones as well, and a few more modern ones. But the old saying, buy what you like. Let's give one of these guys a wind up and show you what I'm talking about. There we go. The Radiocon. Actually, one of my better running robots. Most people who only say they're pretty much the same thing. Now these are tiny motors, so they don't go for a long time, so please keep that in mind. Let's try the TV guy. Now this one I have to put the arms out because it's a little unstable. You'll see what I mean when I get it fired up. As you can see, he's a little unstable. And with these tiny motors, they don't run for very long. Now this guy, well, let's just say he runs pretty good. He runs pretty fast too. You'll see what I mean. I didn't wind him up completely because I don't have a lot of room. Well, there you have it. 3 halfway decent robots you can get. by going to Robot Island. If you want more information, there's a channel called Robot Hut. He's got a lot of information, and he also works with the 3D printing community and comes up with free plans to download and print. Also, there's one if you just like looking at robots, is Robot Elixir. That's pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed, and make a comment if you want. Have a good one. Until next time.